welcome. This is Giovanna from Dynamics. Nice to see you again. Thank you for logging in and practicing. So this one that you're going to be learning or practicing today is called Easy Come, Easy Go. I'm going to go ahead as usual. I'm going to do the complete dance with the steps. And then I'm going to break it down for your count. And then after, I'll do slow breakdowns for each of the steps for anyone that needs to get to those. All right. So here we go. We start with a toe cross, a toe heel cross. So right foot, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, and toe, heel, cross. 4 of those. Right foot goes back, slide back, left drags, a 3-step, 1 and 2, and hold on the spot. 2 basic steps to the left, 2 basic steps to the right, 1 step touch to the left, step touch, 2 kicks with the right, brings it back, step, toe to the front, steps down the left, scuff quarter turn to start the dance all over again. All right, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, and toe, heel, drag back, slow together, triple step, step, hold, 2 steps left, 2 steps right, step, touch, kick, kick, back, touch, step, kick, toe, heel, cross, there it is. All right, so with the count, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start all over again. There you have it. Easy come, easy go. Beautiful dance. All right. Fun. So now we're going to do breaking down the steps for those that need it. For those of you that know the step, wants to rehearse more or practice more, go back to the front of the video and do it again with the count with me. Okay. So here comes what you need to do for the steps. Your toe cross. Toe goes in or out, I should say. Your knee comes in, right? So the knee goes in, and then the heel on the toe goes point. So comes in and goes out. Toe and heel, okay? Toe and heel. So the toe, when the toe is in, the knee is in. That's why you have to make sure. In, out, okay? So toe, heel, then you cross. Again, knee goes in, then heel and cross. Goes in and heel and cross. Goes in and heel and cross. Walk around. So you can practice 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. All right, you'll get it. So you get to do 4 of those. Your next step, after you are at the front, you cross the left foot was the last one. Your right foot is behind. You're going to slide it back. So it's a 2 count. That's 1, 2. Then your left foot is going to drag to join the right. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Sliding together. Now you're going to do a triple step march on the spot, starting with the right. Step, step, and hold. So step, 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 and hold. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 2 beats for that. We're going to do basic step, which means we walk to the left 4 steps, and the same thing for steps for the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 to the left, 4 to the right. Next is what we call a step touch. Just as a sound, you step to the left and you touch, right? So 4 steps to the left and 4 steps to the right and step touch. 4, 4, and then 1 or step touch. Here comes that kick. So step, touch, kick, kick. So your kick, kick is really low. You don't have to go too far up. Kick, kick, that same right foot goes back. put the body weight back there. So kick, kick, step back, and toe. Again, kick, kick, step back, and toe goes forward. When you do that back touch, your body is kind of like in an angle, but you're still on this wall. Kick, kick, step back, and toe. Now that left foot is going to step down for the body weight to go in it, and then the right foot is going to scuff beside it to that quarter turn. And when you do that quarter turn, that toe comes down to start all over again. So practice, as I always say, guys, don't worry. The more you do it, the better it gets. Have fun.